This is Team 7 from BTech first year CSM, and our topic is Vahanavedhika, and these are our team.
Myself, I am Keshava, and
Myself, K. Siddhartha.
Myself, Pranita.
I am Deepika, and the project object is design a real-time fast tracking
Oka
system.
Nisham Shraddha.
The project object is to design a real-time fast tracking system which is useful for the transportation in RTC and as well as in the college transport, which helps the users where the bus is located and the location and the next location. And the issues we are facing are weak GPS signals, power instability, and network delays. Network delays which gives the issues are weak GPS signals, power instability, and network delays. The propagation between the input and output is known as the network delay. And the existing system solutions are real-time bus tracking monitoring system, GPS model with server and mobile app, GPS model with GSM or communication.
The gaps in the existing solutions are sync problems and dust and heat damage. Dust and heat damage is nothing but due to the GPS.
So continue.
Gaps in the existing solutions. Gaps in the existing solutions are sync problems and damage and heat of the GPS module. When we are traveling in the bus, it will take time of signals from the satellites. So due to the heat, it will get overheated and it may be damaged, and no maintenance. If we don't give proper maintenance to the GPS, it will not work, and weak GPS. Next, it is user requirement. Real-time bus tracking system is used for stop by silence, and it will be displayed in many languages like Telugu, Hindi, English, where it is readable for each and every people, and by reading that, every people can be alert.
And the proposed solution is a GPS device is connected to the each bus, which helps the user to see where the bus is located and the next stop where, and the distance between the present stop and the next stop, which reduces the time complexity. The data is processed and displayed on a user-friendly manner, web or mobile, which enable live location. And the distance from the present location to the which helps to track the bus where the bus is located from the present location to the next location and the distance between the present and the next location.
And this is our poster of the Vahanavedhika. Thank you.
This is team Vahanavedhika. So this name suggested as Vahana is all about a vehicle and Vedika is all about the platform. So our project is all about knowing the accurate location and knowing the exact distance from where you are. It will show all the details properly to the user in different languages, in Telugu, Hindi and English, in a time countdown of 5 seconds. This problem statement was discovered from many students and RTC passengers. So many passengers faced difficulty to locate the bus where it is and for how much distance is for their next stop. So to solve this problem, we have just implemented this project. So it will show the exact distance from where you are from the current location. It will if unknown person like from another states, they can't read Telugu or they can't read English, if for example, so they can read in Hindi, because Hindi can also read by so many people, and if some people can't read Telugu or English, they can use their according to their languages, and it will show the exact distance from where you are. And if we are in any stop, then we will show the exact stop name, and it will show we have reached so and so place. So here we can see we have used LCD display. I don't know, and we have used GPS module, and all these four components have made this prototype. This prototype can be used in large scale, like we can display this location in large display in the bus, so the passengers can easily read it. And we can also modify, like we can install speakers and we can announce it. So this problem is solved in metro stations, but we have not updated in RTC buses and college buses. So we have thought in that way that we can install in bus and small transport systems, and we will give this as budget friendly.
The main goal of this project is to make affordable and cost effective for the user. It is user friendly for students, staff, and also for parents. The parents are who travels in the RTC buses. In this we use LCD, GPS model and Arduino. LCD will show the location of the current location, and GPS model which receives the signals from the satellites, and these processes will contain in the Arduino. The main project of this is to give the locations of latitudes and longitudes of the current location, and which will be displayed in the LCD.
So we want to conclude that it is mostly useful for RTC buses. Like it is implemented in metro, but it isn't updated in buses like RTC and college buses. Like some students live in hostel. For them, parents come from other state or other city. They don't know the location of this area. So we use it we use it to locate the present location, distance between the upcoming location, and show the next stop and the distance between now and the next stop. Example, Cmrcet and Mirchal. And if you are coming from Kumpeli, it shows next stop is Suchitra or else Cmr College. So it is mostly useful for RTC buses, and also it show not only represent in English, it also represent in Hindi and in Telugu also. For village people like outside of Telangana and more on. It also gives us in Hindi because from other states parents will also come. That's it.
So Vahanavedhika is a smart and low cost transportation tracking system with real world applications which is used in schools and colleges and normal RTC buses.
So this is our project. So this is working of our project. So it will show the exact stop, next stop, and then it will show the distance from where you are. And it will also, in a countdown of 5 seconds, it will change the languages. So this is the source code of the our prototype. So here we have header files of GPS module and so and so, and we have used Telugu language, Hindi language, and English also. So as you can see, so we have we have already kept inputted some of latitudes and longitudes. If the bus is in exact longitudes and latitudes, then it will show the exact location name, and it tells we have reached so and so place. It was all about this project, and thank you so much.